Good afternoon,
Yeah,
sir.
Abhishek.
How are you, sir?
Good. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Basically, I'm from rural background. I have completed my graduation in Malnad College of Engineering, and I'm working in a private company from past 6 years, sir. Actually, I have an idea to start up a company, but initial problem is I'm not able to arrange the capital. What are the ways to arrange that capital, sir?
The first method, I'll tell you all the steps, in fact. So, funding goes in different sections and different rounds, whatever you want to call them. And the first and foremost one is friends and family round.
Yeah.
And also 3F, friends, family, and fools. I'll tell you who are the fools. So, first of all, you should approach your friends and family members because they know they have trust upon you. Whatever you are building, they can take the risk on the basis of whatever you do because they want to support you, right? And yes, there are a couple of people like your college principal or maybe the dean or the chairman who might be knowing you for some reasons, obviously the good reasons, not the bad ones. They can put their money upon you, and maybe your uncle or uncle's friend or anybody who can put in some funds till the time you build the MVP. MVP is the minimum viable product. That means if you are building a bicycle, build the wheel or the handle or the pedal, anything that you can sell independently in the market. That means any product which you are building, do not make the entire product in one go. Step by step, make some basic parts of that product so that you can go out in the market and get some revenues. It is extremely important for each startup founder to generate revenue from day one. From day one, even if you are building big things, that is okay, but start making revenue from other alternative sources. Like if you are building an application similar to LinkedIn, okay, no worries, but side by side start selling some services, some advertisement, something that fetches you revenue. That is the most important part of it. Once you are there at MVP stage, the second round that comes up is your angel round. So that moment you can approach the angel investors. You don't have to give any kind of collateral. You just have to approach and try your luck. If they like your project, if they feel that you are able to generate return in future, they will definitely put in money. So that is how after that comes the VC and then the PE round. Once you are established in the growth stage, then you can approach the venture capitalist who have the public money. They can put in some $1 million to $5 million as initial round of funding once you are in a growth model, right? But if you have just the concept, do not approach the angel investors. It will be very much difficult as well as demoralizing for you because results, the chances of results will be very very less. Abhishek, you have a follow up question?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Ask me.
Yes, sir. Means capital means I'm not able to choose a particular field. You suggest something, we can't able to go with a whole product. We have to concentrate on individual product.
Hmm.
Yeah, nowadays in a market, every products are running this. I'm not able to choose which one is correct, which one is give more growth to my career like that. The selection of the industries.
Okay,
How can I choose?
I'll tell you one way to choose,
Yeah,
right? Find out what you can do best. Okay,
yeah,
find out what you can do best, and then go to your friends and find out what do they think that you can do the best. Okay,
okay. Yes, sir.
then find out whether the country or the society needs it, what you are trying to make, and then find out whether they will be able to pay for whatever you are making, right?
Yes, sir.
And the combination of everything should match your passion. Find out whether it is your passion or not. Let us take an example. Suppose you like to teach,
Yeah,
okay,
yes, sir.
but you might not be good at teaching. So then this combination is not perfect. Suppose you are good at teaching, but your friend says that you are not good at teaching, don't go for it. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
need to find out something that you are good at. Your friends and family, that means what people say that you are good at. It should be combination of everything. What is required by the society and the country, what people will be happy to pay you for, right? And what is your passion. If you match all these five factors, then you end up making something which is good, which you can be performing nicely.
Okay, sir. Means only this much, sir, because I don't have proper idea. I can
Okay,
get
I'll
this
give you two
just from your
methods.
side. Yes,
One,
sir.
the method I told you, this method generally takes a lot of time and there is no
Yes.
guarantee uh, that you will get immediate or success in near term. But if
Yes.
you want to become successful soon, that means in 6 months or so,
Yeah.
find out what is successful in the West, right? And among create a list of all that and find out West means not the West of India.
Yeah.
West
Okay.
means the Western countries. Okay.
Yeah.
Find out what you can do through value engineering, through innovation, and make cheaper. Getting my point?
Yes.
Exactly what China did. Find out what is there in demand, right? Or what kind of startups are there in West, and that has some demand in India also. And then find out if you can reduce the price. This is one method. Else, find out what which startups has a large market share and doing performing very nicely like Zomato,
Yeah.
and can you reduce the price of the same offering without fiddling up with the product quality. Let me tell you one thing very important: do not give better quality. Do not. You might be surprised or shocked to know that why better quality is not good.
Yes.
Because if you go to the customer and say, my product is better than Coca Cola, I have a soft drink which is better, nobody will believe you. And you will spend a hell lot of resources. Resources means money. Explaining them, making them trust that you are better. So do not get into it. It is easier to sell the Coca Cola cheaper than what others are offering, right? If you have a bottle of Coke which is selling for 40 rupees, sell it for 30 rupees, everybody will buy and you get immediate profits. So that's the better idea, right? That is why go for a homogenized, that means the product which is similar or is standard product available in the market, just try to reduce the price.